Hello everyone. Today we will show you some amazing inventions which will make your life easier. Let's begin the video. This blanket helps evacuate patients in an emergency. It could easily be assembled within a minute. It makes sure that the patient and the mattress stays in place. The ride is probably uncomfortable. It is designed for emergency use only. This art installation turns the whole building into a giant aquarium. Wave is one of the world's largest anamorphic illusions. It is created by a South Korean company, District. The art installation measures 262 feet in width and 75 feet in height. This is an inflatable scooter you can put into your backpack. Poimo is a new type of personal mobility. The lightweight and inflatable properties allow the users to easily carry it. The folded body transforms into a mobility by being extracted and inflated. It is driven by a small in-wheel motor with a remote control. This robot is coming for 40 million restaurant jobs in the US. It can handle large workload at restaurants. Dishcraft Robotics developed this robot. It can automatically stack the dishes. It can finish washing and stacking without any human help. The robot is equipped with a scanner which allows it to see debris better than the naked eye. This is shock-absorbing material that promises safety for people. It uses a combination of special plastic. It contains Newtonian fluid to achieve this effect. This material is light and soft. It is currently being used in helmets, footwear, and body armor for soldiers. Take a look at this amazing shape-shifting sink. This foldable helmet can save your life in case of an accident. The world's safest head protection is worn like a collar around the neck. In the event of an accident, the airbag inflates to protect your head. Meet the world's first motorcycle that can transform into a hover bike. Engineers at Lazareth built La Moto Valentin 496. This is a four-wheeled motorcycle featuring jet turbine dubbed wheels. The wheels tilt outward via hydraulic actuators. It has a 10-minute flight time. Its turbines create 1300 horsepower and 630 pounds of force. This industrial hand sanitizing station runs like an automatic car wash. The wash cycle begins once the motion sensor detects your hands. The machine will spray pressurized water and solution to the subject, cleaning up from the nails to the wrist. It removes 99% of pathogens in almost 12 seconds. This scooter is designed to be an ultra-compact and provides mobility solution. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more amazing stuff.